Hi guys, bonjour mes amis, I'm Booger, welcome aboard. I've got some chicken breast to use up, and I was thinking of stuffing it with whatever, I don't know what I'm gonna find. I got some deli ham in the fridge and stuff, and some of that bacon onion dip stuff that I used in the scallopinis. That stuff is good. Anyways, let's create something. You guys ready? Let's go. Chin chin. So here are my 3 breasts that I flattened out. I'm gonna show you a little clip of that. You just put it inside a gallon bag and smush it with your mallet until it's like less than an inch thick. I've got flour, just plain flour, 2 eggs, a little bit of water, and some Kellogg's cornflakes, crushed crumbs, that stuff, okay? Alright, here is some bacon, French onion with bacon dip. That's what that is. I tried this with the scallopinis. It's freaking awesome. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It spreads so nice and easy. You already got bacon in there, so why not? Right? This will be like our glue. Okay. Let's see. I've got some Black Forest. It's like deli ham. It's really thin, so I'm gonna put couple of those in there. And put some, I've got cherry. It's all about what's in the fridge, guys. I've got cherry tomatoes. Put some of that in there. So I cut them in half. Hang on just a second. The one time I forget to turn down the volume. That's what happens. Okay. Here I've got some white sharp cheddar cheese. Whatever cheese you got. You don't have to do it the same way I do. I'm just showing you the process. If you have sliced cheese, put your sliced cheese in there. You know, whatever. Cream cheese, it doesn't matter. So let's try rolling this the best we can. Just roll it as is. I've got some olive oil brushed on the bottom of the air fryer. There's no paddle in there. So, alright. So, get a hold of it. And roll it around in the flour. You can use toothpicks. I ain't got time for that. You don't have to. Or tomato, get back in there. Okay. So let's go in the egg. Again, just hang on to it. And then in the breadcrumbs. It's a hot mess. Okay. Alright, there it is. So lay that in your air fryer. Let me do the other ones. Put your seam down so it holds together. And I'll meet you back in a different angle. I'll show you what's going on. So yeah, a little pain in the butt rolling them up. Toothpick would have made it a whole lot easier, but we got our did. So the paddle's out. Olive oil, like I said. Let's turn it all on high. Number 4 and the bottom's on. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to spray some olive oil on that. So after 5 minutes, oil. And I'll tell you how long the total cook is. We'll be back. Guys, that was about 20 minutes. Give or take a couple minutes, like 15-20 minutes. I put the temperature thing in there and it was way past 165, so we're good to go. I've got another one in the air fryer right now. But sprinkled it with some parsley. Let's see what she looks like. Shall we cut in the middle? Yeah, I don't know where to go with this. Hang on. Ain't it crispy? Oh yeah. She's still hot, so that cheese is gonna be oozing. Sure. Oh, it looks delicious. Oh, it smells good. Mm-hmm. Yes. Don't that look pretty? All right. Give it a go. Oh, no. No. Grab it all, Booger. Okay, saved it. Let's go. Look at the steam. What? It's crazy good. I'm telling you, that ranch French onion not ranch, but French onion bacon and dip stuff is ridiculous when you're doing something like this. It is so good, you guys. Trust me on that. Alright, there you go. Thanks for shopping. Bye-bye.